Trim installation. The correct installation of trim cannot be overemphasized. The overall appearance of the finished building depends primarily on the quality of the installation of the trim. Make sure you keep all of the trim lines straight. Make all bins sharp and neat. Be sure the edges are not jagged, dented, crimped, or serrated. End joints and laps must be closely controlled to ensure neatness. Mueller trim comes with a protective film coating to aid in the prevention of scuffing during transit. Do not allow this film to be exposed to the sun for an extended period. Exposure will bond the film to the metal, making removal very difficult. Remove the film upon delivery, being very careful of the sharp edges on the trim. Care must be taken at all times not to scratch the trim, but especially once the protective film is removed. Corner trim. Once all of the wall sheets are installed, the corner trim can now be attached to all corners according to the erection drawings. It should be raised 1 inch from the bottom of the frame to match the bottom of the wall sheets. The screw pattern should be in line with the wall screws. Eave trim. Before the roof sheets are started, the eave trim needs to be installed over the top of the eave channel and wall panels as shown in the erection drawings.